Your AI avatar isn't inconsistent. You're just missing one setting and the fix is faster than you think. The avatar on the left is the one we're locking. The one on the right is the new version we're generating. Watch how it stays consistent. I'll show you exactly how to lock it forever. Let's start. If you're building AI avatars or faceless content, subscribe. I post simple AI tutorials like this every week. First, open ChatGPT. Go to your gallery and select the avatar you want to lock the identity for. Then upload it. Next, type. Create an identity lock prompt for this avatar to keep the face, features, and identity consistent in every generation. When you're done, click the arrow to generate. Now it's analyzing the image, and there it is. It's writing a detailed prompt for us. Let's wait for it to finish. While ChatGPT generates the prompt, you might be wondering how we created this realistic AI avatar. Check out this video to see how it was made. Now let's get back. Still busy detailing, finally. And there it is. See how it gives us both a long version and a short version. Comment locked if your avatar keeps changing every time. I want to see how many creators struggle with this. Now we're going to repeat the same process, but this time it's a little different because we're going to generate an identity-locked avatar image. Start by uploading the same avatar again, then type, generate an image, change the avatar's outfit only. Stay with me, we're on the last step. Scroll up and choose either version, long or short. Both will give you the same results. Now copy and paste the short version of the identity lock prompt. Remember to include generate image, then click the arrow and wait a moment. And voila, look at that. Wow. Twinning, but in a different outfit. If this just saved you hours of fixing avatars, hit like so more creators can find this. Fast and easy, right? And keep in mind, this is all done using the free version of ChatGPT. Quick bonus tip, this voice is generated with ElevenLabs. Natural sounding voices make your videos feel more authentic and keep viewers watching longer. Check the link in my description if you want to improve your audio quality. And if you want to learn how to change outfits and hairstyles step by step, check out the next video where I walk you through the full process right here in ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications.